Hello, and welcome back to another Neetcode 150 problem. So today we're doing the second problem, which is valid anagram. This is also in arrays and hashing. So it is Leetcode problem 242. It's easy. So given two strings, S and T, return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. And so if we look at an example, S is the word anagram, T is the word nagaram, and you can rearrange the letters in T to create the word in S, so it would be true. And then example 2, we have rat and we have car. It's impossible to rearrange these letters to make this word, so we output false. And so there's actually a pretty easy way of solving this in Python, which is by using the counters, I'm pretty sure. So if we use the counter on each of the input strings, if we compare the counters, basically the counters will give us an object that contains the counts of each type of letter, or each letter in the string. And so if we compare the counters after, if they are anagrams, both counters should be the exact same. So we should just be able to do a very simple return counter and then put S in and then see if it's equal to a counter with T in. I believe, if this is the correct syntax for it. We can run this and it's accepted, so we can submit that. So yeah, pretty simple. You can see it's incredibly fast, but I also did want to do not just this method, but also, because this is for arrays and hashing, I wanted to try out an actual hash map for this. So basically making our own counters with a hash map. So we basically just go through each string using a loop, and if the letter is not in our hash map, we will add the letter and set its count to 0. The key would be the letter, and the value would be the amount of times that we've encountered it. And we just go through both strings doing that, and then we compare both hash maps after. So let's try that. So we can make hash map 1 and hash map 2, and then we could say for letter in S. I think there's a shorthand of doing this for doing counts, so we can do HM1 letter equals hm.get, I believe it's letter, and then we can initialize it to 0 if it doesn't exist, but if it does exist, we will add 1 to it. And then we can do the same thing for hash map 2, or for letter in T, hash map 2 letter equals, and this should be hash map 1, hash map 2 dot get letter 0 plus 1, and we can just return hash map 1 equal to hash map 2. We could check and see if this works, and there we go. So it works. Let's submit this one too, and there we go. It's basically the same speed, because it's basically doing the same thing, counters and hash maps, just creating an object that counts each instance of a letter. So yeah, thank you.